all these years, government and the local panchayat or municipality, they used to do all the cleaning manually. But this time we have concentrated on some mechanical, which is a mechanized, and also some of part which machine doesn't move there on site. We are will be doing manually plus mechanical.
Are you planning to outsource this cleaning activity to specific service?
Yeah, we are coming out with a tender. No, tender is already floated,
Okay.
and somewhere middle of the September it will be open. It is open for a globe.
So what are the present issues that you're facing with these tourist spots?
You see, basically tourists who come down to Goa, they throw all type of garbages, and whichever agencies are engaged on the beaches or tourism spot, different tourism spot, they are not doing that quality of work. They are not giving that quality, and some interior part of the beaches and all, those remains with the garbage. So this time government is ready to spend more money on cleanliness, but department wants to clear all the garbage on the beaches and all the tourism places.
So have you identified any kind of specific cleaning, like beach cleaning machines or something like that towards?
Machine, yeah, I have. We have seen one two demos on that, but in between before that, last year also, and I think 2 3 years back, which I heard, some NGOs were opposing for machine cleaning because they say that all the crabs, small fishes on the beaches, that will be destroyed, and that is why some NGOs were opposing. But now government have finalized, no, nothing doing. We have to do that. But now such type of machines are introduced that won't effect on all those crab and all. So we are coming up with the machine cleaning.
Any particular places you've identified that
Yeah,
you start working
first phase we will be doing with the machine. That place is called Baga Beach, Kalamut Beach, up to Sikerim Beach, then your Miramar Beach, and further down to Kolwale Beach. Sorry, Kolwa Beach. Kolwa Beach. This stretch of beach we are doing with the machine.
I think Goa has got some heritage spots also, which is any of the heritage spots are going to be the first stage of cleaning.
Not yet, madam, right now. But of course, first phase we are doing all these places which I said. Then, aste will be going there also.
Okay. Are you also planning to involve other agencies like NGOs, etc.?
No, nothing like that. No, but this tender is already floated, and whichever agency is coming forward to doing this work, I think almost 14 to 15 crores annually tender is there. So NGO got nothing to do with the tender.
What are the hygiene initiatives that you plan to take, especially like the sanitation of this kind of places?
No, first of all, we are concentrating to take out all the garbage, like a plastic bottle, then glass, all types of garbage. And we have two sites. Even in Kalamut Plateau, there is a site which we have already introduced recently, and all garbage will be taken there, and it will be treated.
I see. So, even some waste segregation and treatment plants this year announced.
Yes, we are.
This is
Yeah,
part of the,
yes, that is a part of the that activity.
that also will be a tender based
Yes.
program?
No, That is not collaborated in that, but that is that treatment plant which is coming out, which is introduced. That is a separate issue, which is coming out for a whole North Goa,
I see.
for whole North Goa, where all this garbage, coastal garbage and all tourism spots garbage will be segregated there only and treated.
So how do you think shows like this, where we are planning to showcase all the latest cleaning technology, will help the government in identifying the right solutions?
Yeah, of course, but what you are showing me this is a very hygienic and top standard. So all these years, Goa government is not attached, doesn't know this all these activities are going on. So anyhow, this year, from this year we are starting with some mechanized beach cleaning, or our many spots are there like Old Goa, like Mangeshi temple, many spots are there. So aiste aiste we'll start this.
Yes. Thank you. Anything you would like to add? Especially for the cleaning industry, what do you expect when there is such a kind of a sector which is wholly dealing with cleaning?
No, see, ma'am, I'll tell you, madam, all these years we are government is spending money on beach cleaning or all tourism spot cleaning activities. But if you ask me very frankly, I'm not satisfied with that. Every monthly or bi-monthly, I'm taking check on that. But every time my department observer goes there, or supervisor goes there, every time there is a garbage. And because of that garbage, whenever I travel to like WTM in London or ITB in Berlin, or wherever, right now my team is in Australia. Even everywhere, these foreign tourists, they ask, what you have done about garbage? That is a major question. So, because of, see, Goa is a very beautiful place. We have good hotels to stay. We have a good cuisine also. But thing is that because of garbage, now Goa is overloaded with the population also. Right now we are having around 15 to 16 lakhs people. Some of them are migrated also. So because of that, garbage problem is a major thing. So anyhow, we have to get out of this very big question. So that is why government has taken a step to at least to start with a mechanized some part. Accordingly, aiste aiste we'll go ahead.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Yeah.